Hello friends, today is my second vlog and every morning my neighbor Tiger came for breakfast. I'm not sure how old he is, but he looks very young to me, but he's super cute. He's very tiny comparing to my cat. Now I'll show you. That's over there, that's my girl sitting in the grass. Her name is Speedy and she's scared of everything, so she's hiding. I start my day with coffee every morning, but I just realized that I'm gonna need a new camera because whenever it's a little bit darker in the room, I have lots of pixelate and picture is not good. Yeah, I've been wondering, can you maybe recommend me some good camera in kind of mid-range price? I really gonna need it. And because I live in London and today is sunny day, I need to have the coffee outside before we'll get cloudy tomorrow. So I'm trying to use every minute of sun here. And then after coffee, I need to start working on my website because I'm just moving my shop from one platform to another, and my shop has approximately 6 to 800 items, and I need to move them manually one by one, and I'm so scared because it's gonna be lots of work. I just started yesterday and I'm exhausted already. I don't know, I placed maybe 20 items so far. I got a little bit tired to work on my website now, so I'm going to refresh my brain and I will do some studio cleanup so I can come later on and start working on my candles. I think it's not very messy, but it still would be nice to make it neat and tidy. It's pleasant to work when you have everything on the right place. So I just tidy up a little bit the tables, and later on I need to retake my pictures for my website because not all of them look how I wish they look. So a part of uploading new pictures, I need to still make them. And I'm keeping all of my candles in the plastic bags because when you work there all day, the fragrance is so strong then you can get a headache. Even if I'm opening windows, ventilating, it's still very strong fragrance. Anyway, they are even more safe when I'm keeping them in the bags, they're not getting dusty. Today I'm making a little bit cleanup, but tomorrow I will be making flower candles again. So I will record my process how I'm doing it. So if you like to see, welcome back and watch my video. don't have a big place here, but this is my den. I really love spending time here, creating something, making new ideas. Yeah. For all of those candles which I am removing now, I need to retake the pictures, and there is much more than those. I think I need to retake around 40% of my candles and make the pictures from scratch. It's gonna take a while. And look what I've seen on my way home. Tiger came, and my cat also is there. Uh, I don't know if I mentioned her name is Speedy, because when she was small, she was so fast. So I was thinking maybe I can call her Daisy, and I've been looking for the really, really strange names, but the Speedy just catch up, and yeah, it left like that. So she normally doesn't like Tiger, but I see, then I think she's trying to make a friend. She's like trying a little bit, but she's still not confident. Yeah, yeah. Maybe friendship is coming one day. She's older than him. I think she's like 8, 9 years old, and he might be 4 years only. I'm not sure really. What do you think? How old is he? Thank you for watching. That's all for today, and I hope you will be back to my vlog. Bye bye.